Hey, it's Similarly here, and in this video I'm going to go over why you need to be trading these 5 candlestick patterns for consistent profits. Without being able to identify these patterns, it'll be quite difficult to enter into your trades at the lowest possible price. I'm going to focus on one candlestick pattern over the next 5 videos because they're so important and integral to being able to trade successfully. Now, in real estate, it's generally known that you make your profit in the purchase, meaning that if you can pick up a piece of land or property at the lowest possible price, then you've already made a profit, even before the sale. The same is the case in trading, especially with day trading. You've got to know when to get into your trades. All we're looking for is a dip in the market and boom, enter the trade, and that's where the profit lies. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
First, we start with a bearish candle, which opens at the top of the box and closes at the bottom of the box. This is the case when price is falling. There is a gap down overnight, resulting in a bullish candle that opens lower than the previous day's candle. It's bullish because price action increases and the close of this bullish candle completely engulfs the red bearish candle of the previous day. From this point on, price action increases upwards. First, we start with a bullish candle, which opens at the bottom of the box and closes at the top, indicating price increase or an upward trend. The next day's candle starts with a gap up higher than the close of the previous day, but decreasing or falling price action all day long that leads to a close below the open of the previous day. This creates a bearish candle. For this to qualify as a bearish engulfing candle, the length of the body of the candle must completely engulf the length of the previous day's green candle. A bearish engulfing candle always occurs at the top of an uptrend. Because sometimes it's actually difficult to visibly identify an engulfing pattern, we want the help of an indicator to alert us when a pattern begins to form. This is TradingView, and we're going to go over to the indicator tab, and we're going to type in engulfing. And it comes up with Candlestick Patterns, Bearish and Bullish. So we're going to click on both once. As soon as we've applied those indicators, the location of Bearish engulfing and Bullish engulfing patterns are immediately highlighted. The blue indicates a bullish engulfing pattern and the red a bearish engulfing pattern. The bullish engulfing pattern appears at the bottom of a downtrend, whilst the bearish engulfing pattern appears at the top of an uptrend. Both of them are reversal patterns and would make perfect entry points to go long on a position or to go short. Now, at this point, I would want to mention that there is no one perfect indicator. So you never ever want to enter into a trade or exit a trade based on only one indicator. It's good to always pair up your indicators or to use more than two indicators to confirm the engulfing candlestick signal. For instance, with this one, I would want to double confirm the bullish or the bearish indicator by using a Bollinger Band. So let's go back to our indicator tab, enter Bollinger Bands, there it is. And once we've done that and we've got our Bollinger up here, then we can see clearly that the Bollinger Bands actually confirm these two engulfing patterns, in that the bullish engulfing pattern shows up close to the bottom of the Bollinger Band, while the bearish pattern shows up close to the top of the Bollinger Bands, which would make them both perfect entry or exit points. If we move along, even though we have a bullish pattern showing up right here, it's not backed up by the Bollinger Band theory of buying at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. And so you can see there's not much of an increase in price action. So you always want to make sure you're not relying on any one particular indicator.
Well, that's all, folks. I hope you found merit in this video. And if you have, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment below, since your comments really help me know how much value you found from this video and what future content you would like to see. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I will meet you in the next video.
Immediately and again after this bullish engulfing pattern,